If I put this wig in my head, it's over. If I put this wig in my head, it's over. If I put this wig in my head, it's over. But you bitches, cause that bitch finna be back.
Protect my energy from your bad aura. Now my pastor say I be mine, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get your back, come on, go sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just stay, follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes, I'm taking dynamite. Put your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No.
I dey feel you. Something wake up cool in my body. Tell me about you. I'm in the big mood. Girl, I dey want you. Something wake up cool in my body. Tell me about you. Yeah, make we go the same pair. Or some liquor, they do me jeje. I get some things with the back of my head, I swear. Now you they calling my stress, so yes. Make we go the same pair. Or some liquor, they do me jeje. I get some things with the back of my head, I swear. Now you they calling my stress, so yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. You guys, I try to upload once a week. Not only am I uploading videos, but I am also uploading shorts. Well, our videos. Either way, let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below, and don't forget to press the like button. First, I would like to thank Yolova Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit to review on my channel. I am not finished installing it. I just had to stop and just pretty much let you know my thoughts so far. Even without adhering it right now, I have a feeling this is going to be a good one. All right, I have a feeling this is going to be a great one, actually. Before I installed the hair, you guys, I did wash it, and I do want to let you guys know that it washed very well. You know, the curls look so pretty wet, and also there wasn't a lot of shedding in my sink, so I really appreciated that. They did provide me with a tweezer, and I don't know if I'm not good with tweezing hair or anything like that, you guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna tweeze any more of it. Okay, I think I can get away with it without tweezing it. So I'm going to use my Bed Head Extra Strong Holding Hairspray to adhere this unit on my head, and then I'm gonna tie it up for a bit, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay.
Mama, why you do me so? Why you not say I dey try all my best for you? Why you wanna let me go? Why you not say I dey spit all this bars for you? If I say go, don't go. If I say come, just come, we go there, okay. If I say right, say that. If I say young, say be, we go there, alright.
When you want me, when you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Johnny. When you want me, when you want me, I just do Miami, Peru,
First, I would like to thank Yolova Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit to review on my channel. You guys, this hair, oh, I have a lot to say about it, so stay tuned. Alright, so let me give you some specs about this hair. Alright, so this is a Jerry Curl 13x4 lace wig in 180% density. It is a piano honey blonde human hair. Alright, and this is in 24 inches. Okay, so this is pretty long, you guys. But I think this hair is absolutely gorgeous. And so you can wear it in a middle part and you can wear it in a side part. I'm more of a side part type of girl, so I decided to wear it in a side. All details about this unit will be left down in the description bar, as well as the link to the direct website. In addition, Yolova Hair gave me a discount code, so I'm going to leave that discount code in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave it here on the screen so you guys can see. Now let me talk first about the packaging before I even get into the hair. You guys, the packaging was absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It was wrapped nicely. It was wrapped in this type of reflective box, Born for Beauty. I guess that is their logo. It says a lasting natural looking solution, Yolova Hair. In addition, it came with a wig cap. It came with some eyelashes, and these eyelashes are actually right up my speed. They're natural looking for me, so I believe I will probably even wear these, honestly. And then it comes with a little glue too. All right, and then they also sent me a tweezer. Okay, this tweezer looks like it's really good quality. I didn't have to tweeze the hair. I could have if I wanted to, but I didn't have to. I mean, I guess I could have tweezed the part a little bit more, but I'm not really into working so hard for my hair anymore like I used to in the past. All right, so I'm really just about trying to get it on and style it and, you know, get out the door pretty much. So yeah, but if I wanted to, I think these tweezers will work actually perfectly fine. Let's talk about the hair. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I washed the hair before I installed it, and the hair took to it so well, you guys. The hair looks so juicy and curly, and it looked absolutely amazing wet. All right, so of course I'm going to show you an image of that, right? In addition, it didn't shed a lot. All right, it was just very, very minimal shedding, which I completely appreciate. So I'm going to go ahead and get into my pros and cons of this unit. First of all, the pros would be the hair. All right, the hair is stunning. The curls, the color. I mean, it's, what is it called? Piano blonde. The dimensions of the blonde color. It's so, so, so stunning. I was really very happy when I tried this unit on. Before I even adhered it, the wig looked amazing. I was like, oh my God, this looks really good. So I knew it was gonna look amazing once I, you know, melted it in. I like the density. It's 180% density, so it's not too big, all right? And of course you can manage it depending on the products that you put on it to make it less, or you can make it more, you know, with less products. And so I like the density, I like the length, I like the minimal shedding I mentioned. The lace, all right, the lace. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, I could pluck this unit, and I maybe in the future, but I didn't have to. I didn't tint the unit. I didn't bleach the knots. I was a little worried because I haven't done that in a while. So I did not want to do that and mess up the hair. So I decided not to bleach the knots. But I used my foundation, of course, to tint the lace a little bit. And so I really think that it's really melted. Typically when I go to edit afterwards, that's when I see some of my mistakes. Yeah, you know, but I really think I could walk out the house like this and be fine. Now, there are so many pros to this. There's so many pros to it. You know, you can get it with different sizes. So if you have a bigger head or a smaller head, you can order the size that fits for your head. Yeah, I mean, I think, I just see all these pros, all right? Now I'm thinking the cons. What would be the con for this? See, if I have to think that hard, were there really any cons if I have to think that hard? Okay. Well, let me give a con. All right, it's layered. And I don't mind the fact that it's layered, but the front is kind of layered, like right here, and then it goes long. You know how layers, like it's actually layered, like layered. It's like the front is layered and then the rest is kind of long. But I'm reaching. I'm absolutely reaching, you guys. You know, it's gorgeous. I don't care. It's gorgeous. I'm sorry. There are no cons. Let me just be honest. There are no cons at all. Again, I'm reaching here. I'm reaching. I love everything about this. I love the company. Very professional. They reached out to me. They were extremely detailed in their communication. I love that. They even contacted me to see if I received the unit. At that point, I hadn't received the unit, and I think they did their magic behind the scenes, and not too long after that, I received the unit. So it was really quick after our communication. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to look down in the description bar. Visit Yolova Hair. I'll leave the website in the description bar. I'll leave a direct link to this particular unit if you are interested in it. Once again, I do want to thank Yolova Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms. I am pretty much on every social media platform, all right? All right, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Go, when you know say I just spit all this pass for you. If I say go, don't go. If I say come, just come, we go there, okay. If I say right, say that. If I say young, say be, we go there, alright. When you want